For field sales reps, managing leads, tracking sales activities, and optimizing your time in the field can often feel like an overwhelming challenge. SalesRabbit offers a powerful solution designed specifically to streamline these processes, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters most: closing deals. SalesRabbit is a comprehensive field sales management platform that enables sales teams to capture, track, and manage leads in real time, while also providing tools for performance analytics, route optimization, and team collaboration. It's an all in one solution that helps you stay on top of your sales pipeline, whether you're working solo or as part of a larger sales team. In this video, we'll cover the key features of SalesRabbit, demonstrate how they benefit field sales reps, and show you how to use them to enhance your sales process in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the lead management and tracking. SalesRabbit's lead management system is the backbone of its platform. With this feature, you can efficiently capture leads, manage customer data, and track all interactions. Leads can be manually entered or imported from other CRM systems, and each lead can be organized by custom tags, status, and priority. The platform also provides a 360-degree view of each lead with all relevant details such as contact information, meeting notes, and previous interactions in one place. With all your leads neatly organized and readily accessible, you can work more efficiently, reduce manual tracking, and ensure that no lead is ever forgotten. This helps improve lead conversion rates, optimize follow-up times, and increase sales opportunities. Another key feature is the route optimization and mapping. For field sales reps, time is money, and SalesRabbit makes sure you're spending it in the most effective way possible. The platform integrates with mapping tools, allowing you to optimize your daily routes based on your lead locations. You can also visualize your route on an interactive map and get real-time updates on the best possible routes to avoid traffic, construction, or other delays. By optimizing your daily route, you save time and fuel costs while increasing the number of leads you can visit. This feature is crucial for field reps aiming to maximize productivity without wasting time on inefficient travel. Another key feature is the sales performance analytics. SalesRabbit includes advanced analytics and reporting tools that allow you to track and measure your sales performance. You can monitor metrics like the number of leads contacted, conversion rates, sales volume, and average deal size. The platform provides actionable insights, allowing you to evaluate the success of your strategies and identify areas for improvement. With data-driven insights, you can identify which strategies are working, make informed adjustments, and continuously improve your sales process. You also get the visibility needed to achieve your sales goals and hit KPIs more consistently. Another key feature is the team collaboration and communication. SalesRabbit enhances collaboration within your team with features that allow for seamless communication between field reps and managers. You can share updates on leads, ask for feedback, or discuss strategies all within the platform. Effective communication is key to successful sales. SalesRabbit keeps everyone on the same page and helps reps stay motivated by fostering a sense of teamwork. Managers can monitor and coach team members in real time, leading to better sales outcomes. Another key feature is the customizable sales workflow. SalesRabbit allows you to tailor your sales process to your unique business needs. You can customize stages of the sales pipeline, set reminders for follow ups, and automate repetitive tasks like sending emails or setting up meetings. Customized workflows ensure that every step in your sales process is streamlined, efficient, and aligned with your business objectives. This leads to better time management, higher productivity, and more consistent sales performance. So, why is SalesRabbit a great choice? SalesRabbit is a comprehensive solution for field sales reps, offering an intuitive interface, powerful features, and real time functionality that ensures reps are working at maximum efficiency. What makes it particularly appealing in 2025 is its ease of use, robust customization options, and real time analytics that allow field sales teams to optimize their daily activities and improve overall sales performance. The platform is designed to scale with your needs, whether you're an independent rep or part of a larger team. Its mobile first approach ensures that you've never without the tools you need, whether you're in the office or out in the field. The ability to access lead data, route optimization, and sales analytics all from one platform means that reps spend less time managing logistics and more time selling. So basically, Sales Rabbit is an essential tool for any field sales rep looking to streamline their workflow, improve efficiency, and close more deals. With features that enhance lead management, route optimization, sales analytics, and team communication, Sales Rabbit empowers you to work smarter and not harder. So, by centralizing your sales activities in one platform, you'll save time, reduce errors, and maximize your sales potential. So, start using Sales Rabbit today to elevate your field sales efforts and see how much easier and more effective your sales process can be. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.